currently you're with Norco College, where you're the vice president, but you're a former dean of career education, just like myself,
That's
what I
right.
used to be. Tell us a little bit about uh, community colleges and the offerings that they provide students when it comes to career education.
The community colleges are really the gem of the American higher education structure. To be able to have in almost every community a classroom and hands-on instruction skills they can take advantage of at the most affordable price points across America. It's a gift, and it's been a long time coming, and a lot of investments both at the federal level and the state level for every community to have this. Whether it's your local community college or the one adjacent, you can get prepared, whether it's for vocational learning, hands-on skills, industry credentials, a 2-year degree, transfer preparation. It really is the best investment of our dollars that goes oftentimes underutilized or unappreciated in terms of the value they can have. Community colleges are laser beam focused on offering career and technical education programs that really provide those credentials or certifications that are needed for the local economy. And not every college offers everything. If you're really interested in a specific trajectory or industry, you might have to go 1 or 2 colleges over. But it is the best return on investment for time and money to really get the hands-on skills that you need,
Sure.
or to show up and basically just ask the question, hey, I'm here, I need some help to figure out, what impact I want to make in the world. There's the heart of the folks that work at community colleges. They will take the time to sit down with you one-on-one. They will work with you. They'll introduce you to the faculty, and they'll make sure you get plugged in correctly, far more than I've seen at other institutions of higher learning.
Sure.